Everything from facial movements to voice pitch to body positioning can help tell a story. So, do you want to be able to read people? Try these tips from body language experts. First, to understand about what is non-verbal communication. In this communication, we convey information or messages from one person to another without using the words. It can include everything from hand signals to physical appearance to body language. Body language is a form of non-verbal communication that includes facial expressions, gestures, posture, eye movement, physical touch, and other signals indicated through the physical body. Most of us have experienced moments when words escape us. We get too nervous, too shy, or too overwhelmed by emotions to think and speak clearly. In these instances, non-verbal cues speak for us. Since conversations are two-sided, that typically means the other person is left to read those nonverbals. Here are some tips to read people. Learn to distinguish positive and negative body language. Oftentimes, body language can be compartmentalized into negative or positive. When someone's body tenses up, that's common negative expression, which may be related to stress, discomfort, or anger. On the other hand, positive body language like relaxing the body or resting comfortably can indicate happiness and trust. Pay attention to voice pitch. The typical pitch of someone's voice can alter depending on their mood. For example, when a person is sad, their voice tends to deflate. This means they will talk a lower octave and at a slower rate. Faster, peepier, or more cheerful voices tend to indicate happiness. Pay attention to their breathing. If someone is angry, their face may start to redden. This reaction is generally caused by rapid breathing. When you are in fight or flight, the brain is releasing hormones and neurotransmitters, and cortisol will start flowing. That increases your blood pressure and your heart rate, and your breathing becomes shallow and fast. Look at their grip. Just as some people will extend their fingertips in stressful situations, others may ball up their fist or tighten their grip. If someone is already holding a glass or a mug, they may start to hold it tighter. You have this pent-up energy that your body has to release. Pay attention to their movements. If a person is moving more than they normally would be, that can be a sign of nervousness. Signs of nervousness may include chewing on the lips, wringing of the hands, and even tics or nervous twitches in some. Breathing becomes shallow and movements of the hands and head become quick and jerky. Of course, that's all depend on the level of nervousness. Look at the big picture. The final tip is definitely the most important. Looking at facial expressions can be a helpful first step, but those expressions are not always accurate. When we feel a certain way but don't want people to know how we feel, we try to mask it. Other cues like pitch, body language, etc. tend to give away how we really feel. You really have to pay attention to the big picture when you are reading someone's emotional state. Whether you are speaking virtually or in person, it's important to get the big picture. In other words, don't just read the facial expressions. Also take in other context clues like the body language or the verbal cues. This non-verbal communication is an important part of how people express their feelings when they can't put them into words or purposely try to hide them. Learning how to read these communication signs can help us understand others better. Hey guys, if you like my video, do like, subscribe and share. Have a good day. Thank you.